Okay, so Nash asks, how will we know that the plumber is being dishonest? Flipping the geysers, in other words. They are the professionals, after all.
It's a very good question. I would say if you wanted to go by a general rule, you would probably be looking at about 30% of your claims to be replacements and 60% approximately to be repairs, and the warranty portion in there as well. Um, if every time you have a geyser claim and it is being a failed geyser and a failed geyser and a failed geyser and a failed geyser, the likelihood is you're probably noticing flipping of geysers. So for every 10, if you get 3, 4 maybe being replaced, and then you've got a pretty fair ratio. I also wouldn't be panicking if in July, in the coldest months of the year in Johannesburg, you're seeing 6 suddenly appear. It's not abnormal, because come spring and summer you might find 1 being replaced. It's a balancing act between the year of about 30%, 30-40%.
As insurance brokers, we can actually pick it up usually on statistics. The example that I showed with the statistics was clear that there was geyser flipping happening before the modesty factor kicked in. Okay.